There's always sky, rest your head, I'll take you high.
Motorola is a brand that was once well known for its great budget devices and fast Android updates. But after Lenovo acquired Motorola, everything changed. There was a time when we used to have a single Moto E and Moto G device and just a couple of X series phones every year. But the situation is completely changed now. Last year, Motorola launched more than 10 smartphones, and talking about 2018, we already have 6 new phones under the G and E series alone. Motorola is soon launching new phones under a whole new series, Motorola One. At the moment, we know that there is Motorola One and Motorola One Power, but chances are that there could be few more phones under this series. So in this video, I will be talking about each phone that is expected to launch under this new series. Starting off with the Motorola One, it features a premium glass back and aluminum frame just like the newly launched G6 and G6 Plus, but the major difference is on the front. Motorola One is going to be one of the first Motorola devices to feature a display notch. And unlike phones like OnePlus 6, the notch on Motorola One is pretty big in size, even though it doesn't feature any special sensors for facial recognition or anything like that. There is a small chin on the bottom which is not new for Android phones with notches, but instead of keeping it empty, Motorola decided to add its branding there. There is a dual camera setup on the rear, and no, it's not like the one on Moto G6 or the Moto X4. Instead, this one is a vertical dual camera setup which is placed on the top left. To make it slightly different from every other Android device, the two lenses are placed separately with an LED flash between them. Coming to the Motorola One Power, this one is expected to be slightly larger in terms of the size as compared to Motorola One. Also, since it has the word power in the name, we can expect a big battery underneath. The design is almost the same except for some major differences like a metal back and a single camera module for both the lenses as well as the LED flash. The Motorola One Power certainly looks like a lot of Android phones launched this year with display notches and vertical dual cameras. Some rumored specifications include a Qualcomm Snapdragon 636 processor, 4 or 6 gigs of RAM, 19:9 Full HD Plus display, 16 plus 5 megapixel dual rear cameras and a 16 megapixel front camera. The battery is rumored to be a 3780 mAh unit. There is also turbocharging support just like all the mid-range and high-end Moto devices. Finally, we have an unknown smartphone that features a glass back like Motorola One but a dual camera setup like a Motorola One Power. Also, there is no display notch on the front as the phone has a simple 18:9 display. The name of the phone is not yet known, and it is also not known if this device is launching officially or it is just a prototype unit. So these are the details that we got till now about this new series of phones from Motorola. There is no official word from the company about the launch, but there is an event happening on August 2nd in Chicago where these new phones are expected to launch. There are also chances that Motorola will launch these phones this month, and the event on August 2nd is for the Moto Z series devices. So this was all about the upcoming Motorola devices under this new series. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos and stay addicted to Android.